Tying burlap around. I was trying to use this Dollar Tree glue. That wouldn't work. But here's the burlap. I'm gonna wrap that around both of the poles so she can have a scratching post. 2 of them. And this is, I pulled out my hot glue gun. And I'll show you the finished results. So this is the finishing result. I ran out. Only one on the left, but I'll get some more and finish that little bit up. And I think I might go around the bottom too. But that's it.